I designed the first homes humanity will one day live in on Mars. In space, every life depends on calm hands and fast decisions.
Vitals are stable, but the suit is compromised. Applying the sealant now, hold still. You're gonna be fine.
I keep the systems running that let everyone on the station breathe and survive.
Velocity increasing. Altitude gaining. Departure trajectory locked.
Every journey through space begins with precision, control, and trust. I study the unknown to help humanity understand what waits beyond Earth. I turn daily meals into comfort, routine, and a taste of home in space.
Wow, the curry is back on the menu.
Finally, something decent after that nutrient paste yesterday.
This view makes anything taste good.
I grow the food and oxygen that keep life alive in orbit.
Another successful harvest.
The lettuce looks particularly good today.